Okay, hello Year 2. So following on from last week's lesson where you started to look at India, okay, here's a map of India. Do you recognise any place names? Can you say any of these place names? I know some of them are quite tricky to say, okay? Have a go with your grown-ups, see if you can recognise any of them or if you can say any of them. Just give you a few seconds to have a go at that. Okay. So today we're going to be looking at different places in India, okay? And as you can see, one of the names has been circled and that place is New Delhi because New Delhi is the capital city of India. Every country has got a capital city and a capital city does not have to be the largest city. It's a place where there are lots of government buildings such as offices where very important meetings are held. For example, in England, the capital city is London. Okay, have a look at the map again. Which part of the country is New Delhi in? Is it north, south, east or west? Have a chat to your grown-up. Where do you think? New Delhi is in the north of India. So if you said the north, well done. Okay. Now we're going to be looking at the Himalayas. Can you see the Himalayas on the map? Have a look at finding them. So the Himalayas is a mountain range in the north of India and it's on the border between Nepal and China. Here you go, look, you can see it. Here's Nepal, here's China, and the Himalayas is in the middle. Okay, going to look at another place now called Jaipur. And Jaipur is a popular city in India and it is often known as the Pink City. I'll give you a second. Why do you think it might be known as the Pink City? It's because it's very vibrant and it's got lots of colourful, joyful colours and pink is one of them. It looks a very pretty city. Can you see Jaipur on the map? Here we go, look. It's under New Delhi. Okay, the next place we're going to look at is Mumbai. And Mumbai is a city on India's west coast and it is on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Can you see Mumbai? Quite away from New Delhi. Okay, the next place is Kolkata. And Kolkata is in eastern India. So it's on the east side of India. And it is spread along the banks of the Hooghly River, which leads to the Ganges River. Okay, so here we've got quite a simple map. And here is a trickier map for you to find the places on. The next place we're going to look at is a place called Chennai. And Chennai is along the coast of East India. Okay, it's along the Bay of Bengal, which is part of the Indian Ocean. Do you remember when we looked at those different oceans? Perhaps you could have a sing of the continents and the ocean songs to remind you of all these places. Okay, so now your mum and dad would hopefully have printed off the names of all those different places that we've just looked at in India. And your job is to cut them out, stick them on the map in the right place. Don't worry if you've not printed off the names, you could just write the names on here as well. Okay, once you've done that, don't forget, if you're finding it a bit tricky, you can go back to the next page because they are on there. Okay, when you've stuck them all on, what I then want you to do with a grown-up is the grown-up can ask you some questions like, where is New Delhi? Is it north, south, east or west? Where is Jaipur? Is it north, south, east or west? Okay, so you get to have a bit of an understanding of where those different cities are in India. Okay, once you've done that, your challenge is either in a book or on the computer. Have a look for some fun facts about India. See if you can find out some things about India that you didn't know before. Write a couple of them down or even email them to me or Miss Devine. See who can come up with the strangest fact that nobody else knew. Have a good time. Bye.